And so let's take that right into our meditation time. Allowing your eyes to close, taking a deep breath in. And as you exhale, allow a smile to play at the corner of your mouth, just to tickle you there a little bit. Feeling that loving presence. Taking another deep breath in and out. Allowing your focus to shift down into your heart space. And we can let go of everything now. The chair is supporting us perfectly. The universe is great at breathing us, so we don't need to worry about the breath. It will come and it will go. We can simply focus on that heart space. Opening it up. Feeling love there. Visualizing a ball of light right in the center of our being. Radiant light. It's beautiful and crisp and clear, warm, energetic. As we put our attention on it, allow this ball of light to grow bigger and bigger until it encompasses your entire being, filling you, surrounding you, protecting you, loving you. And as we breathe in to this moment, simply allowing that loving energy, that light surrounding us, to share with us in the silence whatever is ours to receive in a meditative moment now. Any concerns or worries we have, we simply let go into the light and allow it to transmute them back into the nothingness from which they came. And taking another deep breath now. Visualize this light growing from the orb that surrounds you into a brilliant column of living love. This column is anchored deep into the earth, and the top of that column expands out into the cosmos beyond what you can possibly fathom. This beautiful, brilliant column of light. Anchored here is a beacon. It's a beacon of loving, a beacon of joy, a beacon of peace. Calling out to everyone who is looking for a new thought, everyone looking for a new way of being, a new understanding of themselves, calling out saying, this is the place. Come, relax, refresh your soul here. And for anywhere that you have concerns in your life, any person, any area, intentionally now with your creative capacity, plant a column of light with that person or with that situation. Take a moment in the silence to do this, knowing that these columns of light bring forth only the highest good of all concerned. And as we focus our attention back to our heart, we notice that the light has not diminished. Despite the fact that we have placed these light columns here and around the world, the light that is the center of our being is not lessened. It is in fact greater than it was before. Sweet Spirit, it is an honor and a privilege to work the light for the benefit of all. We give thanks for this presence and power that is the living light of love, expressing as us. And with a deep breath of gratitude, we allow our awareness to come back into the room. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. When you're ready, allow your eyes to open and experience kindness.